Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are not only improving your English speaking and listening skills, but also learning an important life lesson about self-confidence, self-acceptance, and living a meaningful life. This video will help you in many valuable ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and daily English expressions. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will understand why being yourself is one of the greatest strengths in life. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a lesson about confidence, self-respect, inner peace, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today we're going to talk about an important topic. Be yourself. In today's world, many people try very hard to become someone else. Some people change their personality to please others. Some hide their true feelings because they fear judgment. Others compare themselves constantly with people on social media, at school, or at work. Because of this, many people slowly lose their confidence and inner peace. But here is an important truth. You do not need to become someone else to be valuable. You already have your own uniqueness, talents, personality, and purpose. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I believe in myself. I accept who I am. I do not need to copy others. I become stronger every day. Very good. Now let's go deeper. Char 1. Stop comparing yourself with others. Comparison is one of the biggest reasons people lose happiness and confidence. When people constantly compare their appearance, success, money, or abilities with others, they begin to feel insecure and disappointed. But remember this, every person has a different journey in life. Some people succeed early, others succeed later. Some people smile outside while secretly fighting difficult battles inside. That is why comparison is dangerous. Instead of trying to become like someone else, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Now repeat after me. I focus on my own journey. I grow step by step. I respect myself. Excellent, too. Accept your imperfections. Nobody in this world is perfect. Every person has weaknesses, fears, mistakes, and struggles. Sometimes people pretend to be perfect because they want acceptance from others. But true confidence begins when you honestly accept yourself. Your imperfections do not make you weak. They make you human. People who accept themselves usually feel calmer, happier, and more confident. Now repeat after me slowly. I accept myself completely. I learn from my mistakes. My confidence grows naturally. Very good. Number 3. Do not live only for other people's opinions. Many people become prisoners of other people's opinions. They fear criticism so much that they stop expressing themselves honestly. But no matter what you do in life, some people will support you and some people will criticize you. That is normal. If you spend your entire life trying to please everyone, you may lose yourself completely. So listen carefully to helpful advice, but do not let negative opinions control your life. Now repeat after me confidently. I stay true to myself. I do not fear judgment. I live with confidence. Excellent. Number 4, discover your own strengths. Every person has special abilities and talents. Some people are good at speaking, some are creative, some are kind and supportive, others are hardworking and disciplined. You do not need to have the same strengths as everyone else. Instead of focusing only on your weaknesses, discover and develop your own strengths. Your uniqueness is your power. Now repeat after me. I have unique strengths. I improve my abilities every day. I believe in my potential. Very good. 5. Build confidence through self-love. Confidence does not come from pretending to be perfect. True confidence comes from respecting yourself, trusting yourself, and believing in your value. Self-love does not mean arrogance. It means treating yourself with kindness and understanding. Speak positively to yourself. Forgive your mistakes. Celebrate your progress. And remember that growth takes time. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. I treat myself with kindness. I believe in my value. I become more confident every day. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young boy who always tried to copy other people. He changed the way he dressed, spoke, and behaved because he wanted others to like him. But no matter how hard he tried, he still felt unhappy and insecure inside. One day, an old teacher gave him simple advice. The teacher said, "A flower becomes beautiful by blooming in its own way, not by trying to become another flower." Those words deeply touched the boy's heart. Slowly, he stopped pretending to be someone else. He began focusing on his own talents and interests. He accepted his weaknesses and worked to improve himself. He stopped comparing himself constantly with others. Little by little, his confidence grew stronger. People started respecting him more, not because he copied others, but because he became genuine and honest. For the first time in his life, he felt peaceful inside. This story teaches us an important truth. Real happiness begins when you stop pretending and start accepting yourself. Now think about your own life. Are you trying too hard to become someone else? Are you afraid to show your true self? Remember this. The world does not need another copy of someone else. The world needs the best version of you. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly and confidently. I am proud of who I am. I accept myself fully. I grow with confidence. I choose to be myself. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. Being yourself does not mean you stop improving. It means you grow while staying true to your values, personality, and dreams. Real confidence comes from authenticity. People may forget your appearance or achievements, but they will always remember your true character. Now repeat after me one final time. I stay true to myself. I believe in my journey. I continue growing every day. I live with confidence and peace. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. You are most powerful when you stop copying others and start becoming your true self. So continue learning, continue growing, and never be afraid to be yourself. Keep learning English, keep building confidence, and keep moving forward toward a peaceful and meaningful life. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.